So that's done, and now we will understand how to add or insert a new column. So all you have to do is just right click on the top. You will see different options wherein you can just click on the insert one to insert more columns, and you can delete the columns by right clicking and again clicking on delete. And here we are having a new column, so you can just copy paste this over here so that the formatting is copied, and just type for example items, and here we are having, let's say, fruits, then we are having furniture, then we are having toy car, then we are having let's say vegetables, then we are having what pens, then we are having pencils. So like that we are having few items over here, and what we want to do is we want to copy the formatting of the entire cell. So just select it and then click on format. This is the paintbrush kind of thing. Just click on it and just paste it here, and the formatting will be copied.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.